Hi, this is Dennis with Battleborn Batteries. When designing your solar system, it's important to consider whether or not to connect your solar panels in series or in parallel. Well, there are pros and cons to both. For example, if you decide to connect them in series, the voltages of the panels will add up and you'll end up with a higher voltage system. This means that you could draw less current for the same amount of power, which creates a more efficient system, and you could even use smaller wire. The downside to connecting them in series, however, is that if you get shade on one of the panels, the entire string goes out. You'll get no power. If you connect them in parallel, then the currents are adding up. So to deliver the same amount of power, you'll need more current, so you may need thicker cable. It may create a less efficient system, but if you get shade on one of the panels, you'll still get the full power delivery from the other panels that are not in the shade.